how nice if we could live like this every single day. I'm not saying Maserati paid me to say this, but you know what? Being different has a price. And I think the team which picked this location was smart, because they knew they could pick any 5-star, 6-star hotel, but picking one that's different kind of resembles what the Maserati brand is. The Maserati brand isn't the fastest, it isn't the most high-tech, it isn't the most luxurious, it isn't the most in anything, but it has something else, difference. It makes it different because in a sea of SUVs out there, and sea, obviously Neptune, in a sea of SUVs out there, people are trying to be different, and it's hard to be different. And what they have done is they have made a SUV that's different, that sings to you in its V6 engine from the Ferrari drivetrain. Ferrari made it. It's not a V8, but it's pretty close. The leather, you know what? It talks to you. The interior, the exterior, you know what? It's timeless. So all that put together in a world whereby Audi designs are horrible because they're just so Hyundai-ish, where car manufacturers try to squint their eyes, and yes, the Levante also falls in this category, but there are certain elements which makes it just a little different to those who know. I mean, think about this. If you were in a lobby of a hotel and you come in an S-Class or you come in Levante, the general public would know that the S-Class is a luxurious car. You know, you are the boss having an S-Class. But for those who know, you come in Levante, they go like, man, it's a Levante, it's a Maserati. And that's why I think the term the Maserati of SUVs does sing to me. It's something different, and different has a price, and the price is 808, and I think the price is right. So if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe. It's been a fantastic outing here in Langkawi. Thank you, Maserati, for getting us here and experiencing what the Maserati of SUVs is all about. Cheers and stay safe. Hey guys, we are back with a driving review of the new Maserati Levante S. I won't say new, it's a refreshed look. And anybody who says the Maserati isn't a Ferrari drive engine, I think they are wrong, because when you press on sport mode, the exhaust comes alive, and that handling is ever so present. Oh, look at that. Forget it's an SUV. Woo! That sound. I wish I had an exhaust mic, but I don't. What's interesting is this car is supposed to be a all-wheel drive to give, I believe, 100% of the rear, or 50-50 when it's required, but it feels more rear wheel bias. And when I off the sport mode and I go to a comfortable ride, and I go here without scaring my friend here, Elson, it's actually quite pleasant. It's a nice place to be. Pleasant car, nice ride, comfort. Interiors are well balanced. The rate is a bit striking, but I guess you buy a Maserati because you want to be seen and heard, not to be blended to the background. But yeah, it's a extremely nice car to be in. Okay, stay tuned. Let's see what else the Maserati of SUVs has in store for us. Cheers. boy, look at the roads here. Isn't that beautiful? So we're doing 130, 120, 130 on this really sharp roads. Nothing. That's the warning for the car in front. So yeah, the Levante comes power packed with a lot of safety features like cross traffic alert, collision warning, and it has a V6 engine inside made by Ferrari. Who can complain? You know what? People compare this to the Cayenne. They compare this to even the Urus or some other like Aston Martin DBX and stuff. But there's something about a Ferrari drive engine. Each time you press on the accelerator, oh, and you downshift, the sound it makes, it is distinctively Italian. Whew. I could do this whole day. My palms are sweaty.